This is how a Ceramic Pro Elite dealer can save you thousands of dollars. Reason number one, it's your one-stop shop for all your automotive detailing and protection needs. Usually when you buy a new car, you want to protect it, whether it's window tint, ceramic coatings, or paint protection film. You can spend hours searching for the correct shop to fill each one of those needs. This not only consumes your time and money, but it also puts your investment at risk with subpar products. Or you can come to an Elite dealer and have them done all under one roof with one warranty. We use advanced technology to create the best products, as well as a certified installation, giving you peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is protected. Reason number two, verified Carfax warranties. So what does this mean for you? Say you want to upgrade your vehicle to the newer model. When you take it in to trade or sell, you will see documented proof of the services performed on your vehicle to preserve that original paint, which adds value to your car. And did I also mention that this warranty is transferable to the new owner? As long as they go through the re-registration process, they can have all the same protections and peace of mind that you have. Reason number three, less potential for cosmetic damage. As much as we want to keep our paint looking factory new, life happens and you can't always do that. The best way to protect that paint is by visiting an Elite dealer to prevent you from having costly repairs. We offer the Ultimate Armor Package. It includes a full front Kavacha PPF to prevent the car from getting any kind of rock chips or scratches in the high strike areas, as well as a ceramic coating on the remaining paint and exterior surfaces to protect your car from the environmental damage. Reason number four, improved fuel economy and battery range. Whether your car is a traditional combustion style engine or an electric vehicle, a lot of the energy spent is on climate control, which is keeping the cabin of your car a comfortable temperature. So whether it's heating in the winter months or cooling in the summer months, to lower that energy spent is by having Kavacha Ultimate IR, which is exclusive to Elite dealers, installed on the glass of your vehicle. This will provide insulation capturing that heat or cool inside your car, which means you'll be spending less energy on heating or cooling the inside of your car. That is how a Ceramic Pro Elite dealer can save you money. To find one near you, visit elitedealer.com.